students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So today's question is, bag 1 contains 4 red and 4 black balls. Bag 2 contains 2 red and 6 black balls. One bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn is found to be a red ball, correct? So what is the probability that bag 1 is selected? So this is our important condition here. In every case, we are supposed to find the red ball. Finally, we are supposed to find a red ball, right? And what is the probability that we are getting that red ball from the bag 1? So probability that bag 1 is selected is equals to probability of getting red ball from bag 1 divided by probability that we are getting, or probability of getting red ball. In this case, it doesn't depends upon from which bag it is coming, right? So this will be our answer. So probability that red ball is coming out of the first bag. So first, what we will do, first we are supposed to select a bag. So how we'll select? There are 2 bags, and how we'll select one bag out of that 2 bag? What is the probability of selecting one thing out of 2? It is 1 by 2. Now we have selected bag 1. Now in that bag, we have 4 red ball out of 8. So what is the probability that the final ball will be red? It is 4 divided by total ball in that bag, 4 by 8. So 4 divided by 8 divided by total probability that we are getting a red ball, correct? So to get a red ball, either we are getting it from a bag 1 or either we are getting it from a bag 2. So if we are getting that ball from bag 1, then the same probability, first we will select the bag 1 with the 1 by 2 probability, and bag 1 to select the red ball, we have 4 by 8 probability. Plus, what if we are selecting bag 2? To select bag 2, we need 1 by 2 probability, and in bag 2, to get a red ball, there are 2 red balls out of 8 balls. So the probability will be 2 divided by 8. So this will be our final answer. Let's calculate this. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 will get cancel out. So this will be 1 by 2 again, and this will also be 1 by 2, and this will be 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Correct? This is 1 upon 2 divided by 3 divided by 4. So this 4 will come above, this 4 will come here, and 3 will come here. So this will be 4 divided by 2 into 3. So this is equals to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is our final answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.